Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of adorable fashion for little ones. If you're on the hunt for the perfect fall outfit for your baby girl, look no further. We're featuring the best fall outfit that promises to keep your little princess stylish and cozy. Introducing the ChuYuKu Baby Girl Fall Clothes Set, a delightful ensemble that every parent will want for their little one. This set is designed for infants and toddlers aged 6 to 24 months, making it a versatile choice as your baby grows. The outfit features a charming combination of a puff sleeve blouse, a classic tartan pleated skirt, and a matching vest. Each piece is crafted from a high-quality blend of 96% polyester and 4% elastane, ensuring that your baby remains comfortable throughout the day while looking oh so stylish. Let's talk about the design. The puff sleeve blouse is a standout with its soft, breathable fabric that feels gentle against your baby's skin. The charming puff sleeves not only add a playful touch but also allow for ease of movement, which is perfect for little ones who are always on the go. The classic tartan pleated skirt complements the blouse beautifully, providing a timeless look that never goes out of style. The included vest adds an extra layer of warmth, making this outfit ideal for those crisp autumn days. Whether it's a family gathering, a day at the park, or a special holiday celebration, this outfit ensures your little one is dressed to impress. The ChuYuKu outfit comes in 3 lovely colors: red, pink, and brown. Each color is vibrant and perfect for the fall season, giving parents the flexibility to choose what suits their baby girl's personality best. Whether you prefer the classic look of red, the soft touch of pink, or the earthy tones of brown, there's something for every taste. What makes this outfit even more appealing is its versatility. It's not just a fall outfit, it's suitable for various occasions. Dress it up for family gatherings, birthday parties, Halloween, or even casual outings. The layered look with the vest is perfect for keeping your baby warm without sacrificing style. Plus, it's a fantastic option for holidays like Christmas, ensuring your little one stands out in the festive crowd. We all know that babies can be messy, but you'll be relieved to know that this outfit is machine washable. This makes cleaning up after your little one a breeze, allowing you more time to enjoy those precious moments with her. Just pop it in the washing machine, and it's good as new. In conclusion, the ChuYuKu Baby Girl Fall Clothes Set is undoubtedly one of the best fall outfits for your little girl. Its stylish design, comfortable fabric, and versatility make it a must-have in any baby wardrobe. Whether you're dressing her up for a special occasion or just for a day out, this outfit will make her look adorable while keeping her cozy. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Until next time, happy parenting and happy shopping.